Hi folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review for Bookly Pro. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's right, $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now, you can grab Bookly Pro from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online empire so that you can use free traffic to make money online. And this allows you to achieve your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. In the third bonus, you'll learn how to create a passive income, and this is an important thing here. It's a reoccurring passive income, and you can do it very easily. Now, the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. You receive a done-for-you product with high-converting website. And then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get on with the review. In a nutshell, Bookly Pro is a brand new AI-powered app that creates professionally looking 50,000 plus ebooks in over 2,500 niches. And these ebooks are designed for children and adults. They include all kinds of genres, including fiction, mystery, business, novels, poems, legal documents, and project report presentations. And it also has beautiful templates and powerful AI images. Now, here are 8 things you need to know about Bookly Pro. Number 1, Bookly Pro comes with 100% PLR rights for a low one-time price. Number 2, it creates professionally books and business documents with basically 3 easy clicks. And number 3, you'll have access to over $28 billion ebook industry at your fingertips. Number 4, you'll be able to create and sell professional documents in a variety of formats, including EPUB and PDF and MOBI. Number 5, you can sell your books globally 24/7 without expending anything on a third party. Number 6, you won't have to worry about paying monthly payments to third-party platforms. And number 7, it's 100% newbie friendly. And it comes with a 30-day back guarantee. Now, the front end is a one-time payment of just $19 with 5 upsells. Bookly Pro VIP Edition. Number 2, 1 million DFI books. And number 3, it has 50 million DFI ebook images. And number 4, 20,000 PLR products. And number 5, a done-for-you themes and plugin bundle. A whole host of opportunities for you. Now, each upsell has several downsells, so watch for them. Check out Bookly Pro in the second link below. Remember my 4 bonuses. They include getting free traffic online, get rid of the middleman for good, learn how to create a recurring income, and number 4, how to earn $186 today in 3 simple steps.